Here's my chicken soup and my what? No, I don't think so. I put tomatoes, chicken, the rotisserie chicken that was left over, celery, chicken cubes, onion, garlic, ginger, jalapeno pepper, yeah, and 6 cups of water, celery. And first I put it in the frying pan for around a couple minutes to brown the ingredients, and then I put it together. I think it's different than when you boil it and then when you put it in the frying pan to brown it a little bit, the ingredients. Only thing I didn't brown was the tomatoes.